And then kwasekusuka lapho umsolo number 2 wamlandela.
And then from there, accused number 2 followed her.
Just for record purposes, if you say case number 2 followed her, you're referring to who?
To Kelly.
Yes, we proceed.
And then mayesesuka lapho uKelly wafike emnyango wafika wangena ekamereni wayesevala umnyango bese umsolwa number 2 wayezama ukuvula uKelly ezama ukuvala.
From there, and there, Kelly then, when she got into the bedroom, she then closed the door, and then accused number 2 tried to push it open, or to open it, sorry, and then she tried, on the one side she was pushing it to close it.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then ithema kusenjalo kuleso sidumo leso sasukuma sonke endlini sasesibadudula bonke bobabili saya nabe kitchen.
Okay, whilst that was happening, we all got up and we pushed both of them towards the kitchen.
Can you repeat that?
Whilst that, my lord, we all got up into the house and then pushed both of them towards the kitchen.
Yes, are you able to remember the order in which you got up?
Noma ngeke ngisayikhumbula kahle i-order kodwa sasukuma umnganye nami ngayibona sengisukumile ngabona wonke umuntu esesukumile sasukuma sonke.
Although I won't be able to remember the order, but we just got up at once. I just saw myself up, and then everyone was up.
Yes, can you proceed?
Mase sifika ke kitchen ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sonke sasibalwisa sizama ukubashaya nabo sizama ukubakhiphela phandle but obviously mawuvula umnyango mawuzongena ekhaya umnyango uvulela ngaphakathi.
Okay. I remember that when we got to the kitchen, we were fighting them and trying to assault them and also trying to get them out. But also, when you gain access into our house, when you open the door opens to the inside.
That's the door of the kitchen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If we can just show you photo 64 again. If you say the kitchen door opens to the inside, can you just show which way does it open?
Yabona umnyango mawukanje uvalekile and then mawuvula uvulela ngapha.
If the door as is now on the photo, it is closed, and then when it opens to the side and towards the left.
Towards the left.
To the left.
To the left.
Okay. Yes. To the left
Of the kitchen, yes. Uyabona njengoba uvuleke kanje this is perfect.
As it's open like this is perfect.
Mawungena nje la uvula la bese uyala emnyango.
When you go in there, when you gain access to the house, you open the house and then the door goes to that side. It's now
to the right in this picture, but when you're inside it's to the left.
Okay. On this picture it's to the right, but on the other one, but when you are inside, sorry, it's to the left.
Okay. Referring to its photo 4 that's been shown now. So you say on photo 4 it opens to the right.
Uthi kulesi sithombe lesi uma uvula uvela kwesokudla.
Vulela kwesokudla.
That's
Kodwa
correct.
ngaphakathi.
But to the inside.
Photo 4 of exhibit A, my lord. And if we can go back to photo 64. You say on that photo, photo 64, it opens how?
It opens to the left on this picture.
Lana
Angithi
kulesi sithombe ke
usungaphakathi.
uzovulela kwesokunxele.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then kwathi makusenjalo kusese isidumo sibalwisa nabo besilwisa. I remember ukuthi uSenzo wayeme ngaphambili kulo amadress wayephethe isibhamu.
All right. Whilst at that, fighting them and they also fighting us, I remember that Senzo was standing in front of the one with the dreadlocks who was carrying a firearm.
Just a minute. If you say you were fighting them, can you just explain what do you mean?
Uma uthi ke nibalwisa ke ungasho noma ungachaza ke ukuthi usho ukuthini.
Sasizama ukubakhipha endlini okokuqala.
Firstly, we were trying to get them out of the house,
But umnyango wawuvalekile. And mawuvula uvuleleka ngaphakathi.
but the door was closed, and when it opens to the inside.
Yes.
So manje umnyango mawuvalekile kanjalo laba babili bame kanje babheke thina. They have their backs against the door.
Okay. Now, as it is closed, the two are standing like this, and they are facing us. So their backs are against the door.
Yes. Yes. If you say the two who are referring to?
I'm referring to Lo Pettis Bamu ama dreadlocks no accused number 2.
I'm referring to the one with the dreadlocks who was carrying a firearm, as well as accused number 2.
Yes. Yes, you may proceed.
And then kwathi makusenjalo and then ngabona ama crashes kaTumelo ayehleli phansi ephasijini.
And then once at that, I then saw Tumelo's crutches. They were on the floor in the passage.
And then ngase ngithathe
Yes, just a minute. Are you able to show on photo 64 where the crutches were?
Ngakhombisa la ukuthi ayekuphi indawo.
ama crashes ayelele la phansi.
The crutches were lying down here.
uTumelo wangena wawabeka but eventually awakazange ukuhlala ukuma and then alala la phansi mayesezohlala phansi.
When Tumelo came in, he placed them, but unfortunately they couldn't stand or remain there, and then they fell when he came to sit down.
Yeah, that spot that you're pointing, which part of the house is it?
Ikuphi endlini la ukhomba khona?
Lolu udonga oluphakathi naphakathi eqaleni kwepassage oludivide ikhishi ipassage kanye ne-dining room.
Okay, I see that. This is the wall that is now between, that is in the middle. It divides the kitchen, the dining room,
In the passage.
as well as the passage.
Yeah. Yes, you may continue.
And then ngathatha ke crash leyo phansi nami ngithi ngizama ukushaya and then bengingafikeli.
I then took the crutch that was laying there, trying to assault, but I couldn't reach.
Whom were you trying to assault?
Uzama ukushaya bani?
Accused number 2.
Accused number 2.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then njengoba ngangafikeli kanjalo umuntu wayeseceleni kwami kwakuDumelo.
As I couldn't reach, the person that was close to me or next to me was Tumelo.
And then uma wami wayephambili.
My mother was in front.
And then uDumelo wafika walithatha wangihlutha lona icrash lelo. Kwawuyena olisebenzisa because he had a better view than me.
Then Tumelo took the crutch from me and then used it because he had a better view than me.
If you say Tumelo used the crash, what do you mean?
Shuthini mangakuthi uTumelo walisebenzisa icrash?
Wayihlutha kumina wayeseshaya accused number 2
He
ngalo.
took it from me and assaulted accused number 2 with it.
Yes, you may proceed.
Kuthe makusaliwa kanjalo ngoba on the other hand kwa left ngapha emveni kumnyango usenzo wayime lapho elwisa lo amadreds belwela isibhamu kusho ukuthi babe wrestler kanje ngesibhamu.
Okay. And whilst at that is now at the left, behind the door, was Senzo as well as the one with the dreadlocks. They were wrestling like this, as the witness indicated, wrestling for the firearm.
Yes.
We just want to show you photo 15. If you can just use that photo to illustrate your evidence.
Ungasebenzisa lesithombe ke ukuchaza ke ubufakazi bakho.
Babela.
Then the two, they were here, the two of them.
Umsola number 2 wayela.
Accused number 2,
Wayela.
accused number 2 was here.
Lo
Sorry, just start there. If you say the two of them were
mangithi the two of them ngisho umsola number 1 lo amadreds and then no Senzo.
When I say they were here, I am then referring to number 1 or suspect number 1 together with Senzo, the one with the dreadlocks.
And then who accused number 2 lo wayela.
And then accused number 2 was here.
Yes, just once again, just when you mention where they were, just mention the place.
Oh, closer
You
to
can
the
use
sink.
the door.
It's closer to the sink.
You explained that they had their backs to the kitchen door. Was it still the
It
same
was still
position?
closed.
Busavaliwe-ke umnyango noma isicabha lesi esesikhishini.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then kwathi ke masalwa kanjalo ngezwe isibhamu siqhuma sishaya phansi and then ngashaywa inhlansi onyaweni lami la ka right.
Whilst at that, my lord, and then I heard the firearm going off, and then it hit the floor or it hit the ground, and then the spark from that then hit me on my right leg.
Just a minute. Where were you at that stage?
Wawukuphi nendawo ngaleso sikhathi leso?
Can you show me another picture?
Can you show me another picture? Witness saying this picture doesn't show clearly.
On photo 4, the night photo.
So mina ngangime la eceleni phakathi naphakathi kwepassage.
I was standing here in the middle of the passage,
And then uTumelo eme esandleni sami sakwa right.
and then Tumelo was standing on my right side or right hand,
Just nje eduzane kwestove.
just close to the stove here.
Did you see where the you mentioned that the shot struck the floor? Did you see where it struck?
Ushilo-ke ukuthi nanjengoba isibhamu saqhuma-ke saqhuma sashaya phansi, wabona ukuthi sashaya kuphi nendawo?
Cha, azange ngibone ukuthi sishaye kuphi kodwa ngezwe ukuthi khona sishaye phansi ngoba khona isound eyenzayo, khona isound eyenzakala mesishaya phansi mekushaya i-tiles.
No, I don't know, or I cannot say where exactly, but there was just this sound that happened, or that came as it hit the floor, when it hit the tile.
And did you see what led to the firearm being discharged?
Ingabe wabona yini ukuthi yini eyaholela ekuthini isibhamu siqhume?
Angibonanga into engikhumbula ukuthi uSenzo wayelwa belisana nesibhamu no bhuti lwama-threats.
I didn't see. What I saw was Senzo fighting together with the gentleman that had the dreadlocks, fighting for the firearm.
And at that stage when the firearm went off, was the deceased and the person with the dreadlock still in the positions that you described?
Ngalesikhathi isibhamu sesiqhuma-ke ngabe umufi kanye nalo wama-dreadlocks babesekule ndawo le ubuyichazile ngaphambilini?
Babeseme lapho and then later on uKelly wafika wazojoyina naye lapho.
Yes, they were still standing there, and then later on Kelly also came and joined in.
Just a minute. Now, at which stage did Kelly join in?
Kungasiphi-ke isikhathi-ke ukufika kaKelly ezojoyina naye?
Before inhlamvu izoqhuma.
It was before the firearm went off.
If you are able to elaborate, what did she do when she joined in?
Mayefika ekitchen wahamba olekelela uSenzo la alwisana khona no suspect number 1.
When she came in, she went to Senzo, to where Senzo was, to go and assist Senzo with suspect number 1.
Yes, and your mother at that stage, where was she?
Uma wayekuphi?
Uma wayela naye kuyena ophambili just opposite the sink. Kuyena wayephambili as attacker accused number 2.
My mother was here. She was in front, just opposite the sink, attacking accused number 2.
How?
Kanjani?
How was he attacking accused number 2?
Ngezandla.
With hands.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then kwathi mangizwa leso sibhamu ke masiqhuma sishaya phansi ngabaleka, and then nami mangibaleka noTumelo kanti uzwe lento nami ngiyizwile, ngabona naye baleke ngena in one of the bedrooms, mina ngabaleka ngangena e bathroom.
Okay. When I heard the firearm, when it went off, I then ran. It so happened that Tumelo also heard what I heard, and he also ran, and he ran into one of the bedrooms, and I ran into the bathroom.
I just want to show you the sketch plan again, my lord, on page 20 of Exhibit B. Are you able to show the bathroom wherein you ran?
The bathroom there, wabaleka la kuyona.
Nansi bathroom la, mina ngabaleka ngangena la, sisuka la.
Yeah, okay. Here is the bathroom. I ran into this bathroom, and we were coming from?
Sasuka la.
We were coming from, witness pointing to that opening or passage there. We were coming from here.
And Tumelo, which bedroom did he run?
Wabaleka la kuPhumelo yena.
I can't remember to be precise ukuthi lona liphi camera. Kodwa ngiyazi yena ukuthi wathi mayingena kwelinye ikamera mina ngangena ebathroom.
I can't be precise and say which bedroom exactly, but I know that when he ran into the into the bedroom, I ran into the bathroom.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then mase ngifika ke ebathroom ngangime ngeinyawo, and then ngase ngiphinde ngiyabheka ngibheke efasteleni ngoba ibathroom inefastela elilodwa elibleach.
Okay. When I got into the bathroom, I remained there standing. I was standing on my feet, and I then looked to the bathroom window, because the bathroom has got one blurry window.
Yes, where is the window? Are you able to show it on the sketch plan?
The window is between the toilet and Lila.
It's between the toilet. It's here.
Between the toilet and the bathtub.
Iphakathi ke kwe-toilet kanye futhi ke nebhafu lena yokugezela.
Futhi mawungena ngomnyango.
Sorry to Mr. Rondo is on our way. We cannot see the sketch plan as it's been pointed out.
Sorry.
So nanti fastela lase bathroom.
And this is the bathroom window.
So noma kuthiwa uza ngapha uzongena ekitchen kanje udlula kulona leli fastela lase bathroom.
Even if it is that you are coming from this way, from this direction, as the witness is pointing, going towards the kitchen door, you'll have to walk past the bathroom window.
Yes.
And then mangisame kanjalo ngacabanga ukuthi hey njoba sengizwe ekhala isibhamu kanje, what if lo muntu uzofika aphumele ngaphandle ayongidubula from ngaphandle.
And then I thought to myself, now that the firearm has went off, what if this person now goes to the outside and go and shoot me from the outside?
Yes, you may proceed.
And then ngase ngiyaguqa ngamadolo yabona ukusquatta kanje. Ngase ngiyasquatta kanje khona ebathroom.
I then went down or knelt on my knees. You see, it's like squatting. I then squatted in the bathroom trying to take cover.
Yes.
Can you proceed?
And then ngase ngizwa isibhamu futhi siqhuma.
I then heard the firearm going off again.
Yes, from which side was the firearm going off?
Siqhuma ngakubuphi uhlangothi?
Mina ngangise bathroom sasiqhuma ekitchen.
I was in the bathroom, it went off in the kitchen.
Yes, you may proceed.
And then sase siyakhala futhi isibhamu
The firearm went off again.
For the how many time?
for the third time.
Okwesithathu.
Yes.
Yes, and at which place?
Kuphi nendawo?
Still coming from a kitchen.
Still from the kitchen.
And then kuthe ukuthi makusho mase sikhala kokugcina asikhalanga ukufana namanye the other times lezi
Okay.
bese ngizwile.
When it went off for the last time, it was not the same as the previous occasions that I have heard when I heard the firearm going off.
When you say it was not like the others, what was the difference?
Okuyini umehluko?
I-sound
The sound.
yayenza ayisho ukuthi pha njengalezi bese ngizwile phambilini
First
lesogcina kongathi sithi
It
into
was
kanjalo.
not like as in pa as it previously, but this sound was like in a doof sound.
Yes, you may proceed.
kwathi mase kusenjalo ngezwe ngathi kuyathuleka kancane emva ukuthi ngizwe leso sibhamu sikhala.
Okay. Whilst at that, and then I heard that it was quiet a bit after I heard that gun sound.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
you may
but-
proceed.
Ngase ngiyazama ukuthi ngiriche for ihandle yomnyango bese ngiyapopola nakhona mengipopola from ekhoneni phansi bathroom.
I then tried to reach for the door handle so as just to peep, and as I was peeping, I was doing that from a corner, and then I was down, sort of. Or
Ngisquattile
I
ngipopola.
was still in that squatting position, peeping.
Just a minute.
Still kneeling on your knees.
Squatting. Yes.
Yes.
Are you able, if you say you were peeping, just explain what do you mean?
Uma uthi ke wopopola.
Ngangivula umnyango kanje mhlambe nganibonisa from here.
Yes.
Ngangivula umnyango ngangisquatte kanje from Lantos and then ngipopola from here.
The witness is indicating she's going down in the witness dock, my lord, and peeping through the corner of this witness dock.
Think that she went completely out of my sight. Maybe if she goes further, just for me to see. Yes, right there.
So
When the door was opening, ngaphakathi, to the inside.
My lord, I think the witness can just use that door and peep through that door.
Why are you hiding her from me?
The police, yeah.
Can I show you this side, Judge? Can I come this side, please?
No, but no, I think they won't see. Will you see from there?
You just have to stand.
I think even if you will have to repeat, if you start where you were when you were showing me.
So, mawusizini, ilantuzana i-bathroom,
If you are in the house, this is the bathroom.
umnyango, and then mawuvula kunesinki, mawuvula upopola kanje uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani kukharado ukuyofika edani.
When you open, there is the sink, the witness pointing directing to the right-hand side, and then when you open the door, you are able to peep or to see from the dining room up to the, from the passage to the dining room, my lord.
Thank you. So if you can just show there on the sketch, in which direction did you pick?
So mina ngangila njengoba ubona ukuthi ibasin le.
As you can see that this is the basin, I was
So
there.
ngangikuleli corner.
I was at this corner.
And then mangipopola mawupopola from la uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani la kuze kuyofika i-dining room yonkana.
Okay.
The only thing ungayiboni ikhishi.
Okay. When you peep through, that is now through the door or where the witness has indicated the basin, you are able to see that is now the passage up until to the dining room. The only thing that you are unable to see or where you are not able to see, it's in the kitchen.
Okay. So from the bathroom, the kitchen is positioned in between.
Yes, kuno donga all divide ikhishi ne bathroom.
There is a wall that separates the kitchen as well as the bathroom.
All right.
And what would you say, what is the distance between the bathroom door and the dining room?
Ibanga ke phakathi kwesigaba lesi sase bathroom kanye ne dining room.
Ama measurements angengikwazi futhi I don't think ukuthi ngaba as accurate, but mhlambe ngakwazi ukuestimate from ukuthi mangila mhlambe i-dining room ikuloya bhuti lo mhlophe lapha.
Okay. I won't be able, with regards to measurements, I don't think I'll be accurate. But from where I'm seated, it will be up to the gentleman, near the gentleman, just behind Mr. Advocate Baloyi.
Exactly where elahleli khona.
Exactly where the gentleman is seated behind Advocate Baloyi.
Singathi uqala ku dining room kuyala.
We would say that would be the start of the dining room going that side.
Will somebody measure that for us?
From
No, start.
Approximately 5 meters.
Thank you. Right, my lord, this be an appropriate time to stop as we have reached the end of the more court hours or the sitting time.